Aruba, which unites its government, utilities, and businesses behind a common strategy and an action plan, has now brought enough renewable energy online to satisfy 30% of their demand, and may even reach 40% by the end of this year. That's demonstrable progress. It's happening now. You, the countries of the Caribbean, have a chance at the supply of energy that's more resilient, more sustainable, cleaner, more affordable than you have ever had. You have a chance to reduce the number of oil spills, protect your waters, put the money you are saving into schools, hospitals, jobs, infrastructure, manufacturing. You have a chance to harness the natural wealth of your countries, to find and fuel your economies and save your people money, free up your government budgets, and without the burden of insecure supplies of energy, to expand what's possible for the citizens of the Caribbean in the century ahead. A lot of work lies ahead. I'm not Pollyannish about this. I know there's a lot of work, but we have a chance. And I'd like to conclude in the words with, I was kidding my colleagues earlier today about Irish poets, and my good friend from Trinidad and Tobago said, you know, we have a Nobel laureate. I'm going to send you his poems. But there's an Irish poet named Seamus Heaney. He wrote a poem called The Cure at Troy. And there's a paragraph, there's a stanza in that poem that applies to where I think we all find ourselves today. He said, history teaches us, don't hope on this side of the grave. But then, once in a lifetime, that longed-for tidal wave of justice can rise up, and hope and history rhyme. We've got a chance. We've got a chance to make hope and history rhyme here in terms of your economies. And the single biggest burden that can be lifted from you right now, economically, is the cost of energy and the dependence that you still have on single suppliers. That's what we can do. It can change everything. And I know all of you I met with today are competent, committed leaders in your country. You all have the interests of your people at heart. We share your desire. We're going to try our best to be the best partner we can possibly be in order to have you reach the objective that is within your reach, energy independence in the Caribbean. So I thank you all for making the trip here.